pie and cobbler lovers, this one is for you. I'm going to show you how to make caramel apple crunch foil packets in a jiff. They're deliciously packed with flavor and require very little prep work. With 4 simple ingredients, a couple of apples, cinnamon, caramel sauce, and granola, you can have that sweet tooth fixed in no time. These packets can be prepared on the grill or in the oven. Today, I'm using the oven and I want to start by preheating it to 400. Next, chop your apples and you'll need about 1 cup. Place them in the center of a large piece of foil. Sprinkle with a pinch of cinnamon, which is one of my favorite spices, and drizzle with the buttery caramel sauce all over the top. Lastly, add your granola, seal the foil tightly, and into the oven it goes for 10 to 15 minutes or until the apples are soft. And here's the best part. Open the package and add a scoop of vanilla ice cream on top and dig in. This simple dessert packs a crunch and can be the best I want it now dessert you've ever had. Go ahead and run to your local Price Chopper or your kitchen if you have these ingredients on hand, and I will see you next time on Fresh Dish Foodie.